PRT tournament begins with validators submitting their proofs, and each proof is paired as they arrive. Each pair begins a bisection tournament to identify the exact state in which the first disagreement between both proofs occurs. This bisection tournament is simply a binary search over the state commitments submitted by each validator. The tournament occurs in 3 levels. The Level 1 tournament is a binary search over sparse state commitments generated after every 1 million step interval. The binary search continues until the exact 1 million step interval in which the first disagreement occurs is identified. Once identified, the first tournament level is concluded and a second level tournament is triggered. The Level 2 tournament occurs over sparse commitments generated every 30 to 1000 step interval. This tournament is also a binary search and continues until the first disagreeing state interval for that level is identified. Once identified, Level 2 is concluded and a third tournament level is triggered. Level 3 tournament is also a binary search, but unlike the previous 2 levels, this search occurs over fully dense state transitions and not intervals. It identifies the exact step with the first disagreement, and then the verifier can perform a state transition function over that step to identify which of the validators is presenting a valid claim for that state. Invalid proofs are identified and dropped, while valid proofs are paired once more to begin a new tournament round. This new tournament round is similar to the previous. It's a recursive binary search that happens in 3 levels. While this tournament concluded in just 2 rounds, other tournaments could take more, depending on the number of validators.